Hi everyone, today we're going to tackle the topic of best free AI tools. AI tools are software applications that use artificial intelligence, AI, to perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence, such as image generation, text writing, data analysis, voice creation, and more. AI tools can help individuals and businesses boost their productivity, creativity, and efficiency by automating or enhancing various processes and workflows. In this video, we will introduce some of the best free AI tools that you can use online for different purposes. Best free AI tools for images. Images are powerful visual elements that can capture attention, convey information, and evoke emotions. However, creating high-quality images can be challenging and time-consuming, especially if you lack the skills or resources. Fortunately, there are some free AI tools that can help you generate or edit images with ease. DALLE-E 2. DALLE-E 2, an open-source image generator that uses artificial intelligence to create stunning images. It's easy to use and can be accessed straight from your web browser. You can even expand your prompts into more detail and add specifics as you wish, and DALLE-E 2 will still manage to generate a stunning image. Adobe Firefly. This is a free AI image generator that can create realistic images based on your text prompts. You can type anything you want, such as a blue cat wearing a hat or a sunset over the ocean, and Adobe Firefly will produce an image that matches your description. You can also adjust the content type, color, tone, lighting, and composition of the image using various tools. Adobe Firefly claims to be the world's first ethical AI, as it does not use private data for training. Pixlr. Pixlr is a free online photo editor that uses AI to enhance your photos. It's perfect for restoring old photos or enhancing image clarity and details. You can use Pixlr straight from your web browser, and it's completely free. Remove.bg. This is a free AI tool that can remove the background of any image in seconds. It uses advanced algorithms to detect the foreground and background of the image and separate them automatically. You can then download the image with a transparent background or replace it with another background of your choice. Photr is another great tool that uses AI to enhance your photos. It's perfect for restoring old photos or enhancing image clarity and details. You can use Photr straight from your web browser, and it's absolutely free. Best free AI tools for writing and research. Writing and research are essential skills for many professions and domains, such as marketing, education, journalism, and academia. However, writing and research can also be tedious and time-consuming tasks that require a lot of creativity and critical thinking. Luckily, there are some free AI tools that can help you write or research faster and better. Resume. This is a free AI tool that can help you create a professional resume in minutes. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to analyze your skills, experience, and achievements, and generate a resume that matches your profile and industry. You can also choose from hundreds of templates, customize your resume with different fonts, colors, and layouts, and download it in PDF format. Writer is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high-quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. It's perfect for copywriters, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to save time and energy while creating content. With Writer, you can generate catchy, original, and high-converting copies in popular tones and languages in just a few seconds. ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that uses deep learning-based human language models to generate human-like responses. You can ask ChatGPT anything in terms of text prompts, and it will provide you with answers, be it a complex coding query, a recipe for the dish that you liked at the restaurant the other day, or a script for a short movie. It gets it done. Another great tool is Microsoft Bing, which uses GPT-4 for free in a chatbot. If you are using Microsoft Edge, you can use the Bing AI chatbot to help you with almost any task. Bing AI contains the same GPT model as ChatGPT. However, it lets you use the more advanced GPT-4 model for free. DeepL is a cloud-based translation service that uses artificial intelligence to provide accurate translations in 31 languages. It's known for its high accuracy and ability to translate entire documents quickly and efficiently. DeepL uses a neural network to analyze the context of the text being translated, which allows it to provide more accurate translations than other translation services. Best free AI tools for video creating. Video creation is a popular and powerful way to communicate ideas, stories, and information. However, video creation can also be complex and expensive, requiring specialized skills and equipment. Fortunately, there are some free AI tools that can help you create or edit videos with ease. Here are some of the best free AI tools for video creating. Descript. This is a free AI tool that can help you edit video by editing the script. You can simply upload your video and get a transcript that you can edit like a text document. You can also record your voice or use one of the AI voices to narrate your video. Descript also has features like overdub, which lets you change or add words to your audio without re-recording. Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is a simple video editor that empowers you to edit video and audio on Windows and Mac. You can import your media files into Filmora or use built-in ones to start editing. You can also drag and drop video, audio, photos, and titles into the timeline and create your video. Filmora has features like filters and overlays, shared media library, split screen, auto ripple edit, smart preview, and more. You can also review and export your video in different formats and resolutions. Filmora is ideal for making short videos, presentations, tutorials, and more. Flicky. This is a free AI tool that can help you create social media videos. You can use Flicky to turn any article or blog post into a short and engaging video with text, images, music, and voiceover. You can also customize the style, color, font, and layout of the video. Beatoven.ai. Beatoven.ai is an AI-powered music generator that helps content creators generate background music for their videos and podcasts. It uses advanced AI music generation techniques to create unique, mood-based music that suits every part of your content. With Beatoven.ai, you can choose from 8 different genres to suit your theme, make multiple cuts to add different moods, and choose from a rich selection of 16 moods to match the correct mood for the cuts. Once you hit compose, Beatoven.ai's AI does all the hard work of composing a unique track for you. Synthesia. Synthesia is a powerful and innovative AI tool that can help you create videos with digital avatars that can speak any language and mimic any emotion. You can use Synthesia to make personalized videos, interactive courses, or engaging presentations. Synthesia offers over 140 diverse AI avatars that you can use to make your videos more inclusive and diverse. You can also create your own AI avatar by uploading a photo of yourself or someone else. Synthesia uses advanced text-to-speech technology to convert your text into natural and expressive voiceovers. You can choose from over 120 languages and accents and adjust the speed, pitch, and tone of the speech. Best free AI tools for developers. There are many AI tools that can help you with various aspects of software development, such as code generation, documentation, debugging, and optimization. Here are some of the best free AI tools for developers that you can try in 2023. GitHub Copilot. This is an AI-powered code completion and prediction tool that works with Visual Studio Code. It can generate code snippets from natural language prompts or code comments, suggest code for auto-completion, and help you write efficient and secure code. Tabnine. This is another AI-powered code completion tool that works with over 40 code editors and supports over 70 programming languages. It can suggest code as you type, learn from your coding style, and help you avoid errors and bugs. Snyk. This is an AI tool that helps developers to scan and analyze their code for security vulnerabilities. It can detect and fix common issues such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication, and more. It can also monitor your code for new vulnerabilities and provide patches automatically. It works with various languages and frameworks such as Java, Node.js, Ruby, Python, and other. We have come to the end of this video, where we have shown you some of the best free AI tools that are available online. These tools can help you to generate amazing content, improve your workflow, and acquire new knowledge. As the field of AI continues to advance, we can look forward to even more accessible and powerful tools in the future. Don't hesitate to share your favorite free AI tools in the comments below, and keep innovating. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the best free AI tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.